Alright, so we are looking at Granulator serial 501542-10.1. And this one I've already got the doors open. Again, the green light is on so we could open the doors. We've got our screen here, pretty good shape. Our 2-level sensor switches and cutting chamber. Very free spinning. Blades all in pretty good shape, very sharp. Couple little tiny nicks there, but very good shape for this unit for the blades. And clean chamber, you can see the motor, doesn't look like any issues back there. This unit has 8,800 hours on it. This one actually uses a key switch for the enable disable. Still has the purge like the other units. And conveyor hookups down there. And go ahead and close it up and hook the conveyor up and we'll get it running. All right, so we are still on serial 501542-10.1. And I've got the cutting chamber closed and sound enclosure closed as well. And we'll go ahead and start it. Again, we've got our start from the conveyor or from the main panel. We'll comment that check the e-stops, make sure they're not pushed. I've had that issue a few times if I'm not paying attention. Go ahead and get the granulator started. And we're up and running on the granulator. And we'll go ahead and start the conveyor. This conveyor, you can see the flights on the right. Just have a little bit more wear than the last one. Still in pretty good shape though. Everything running pretty well. Lights working here. We are idling at about 18 amps, which is pretty much the same as the last one. Conveyor hookups here. And everything is good. All right, and here we are on this next panel. Pretty much the same, maybe a few minor changes, but the majority of it is identical. A couple handwritten notes in there. And that's it.